making a map. Look.
This is the
What is Australia? Australia got flooded. Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are putting the giant map in this blue wall. We painted it, guys. So now we are opening the box.
Open this box. What's this?
Blank paper. Yeah! Wow!
Don't get all affected. We still have more stuff. What is this? Does anyone know what this is?
What country is this?
I think it's supposed to be the water. This is the downside of Africa.
Yeah, let's build Africa.
Can you wait a second? So how are we going to put Africa together? Okay, found this.
So is this?
Yep, I know. It's supposed to go like this. It's time for
चलो इधर बनाओ
adventure.
अरे
Why?
इसको इधर बनाओ आप
What about? Oh, they made big Mexico.
इधर बनाओ इसको पहले नीचे
Mexico. I'm actually going. And look at this. No wait, can you wait? These are all the small country connecting South America. Or where's Panda? Here's Panda. I think there was supposed to be a canal separating the continents.
पनामा कैनाल
They're supposed to get
Look, Africa. Woo!
Okay.
It broke.
You broke Africa. Like this. Here's Egypt. Here's Algeria. And here's
these
Sudan. And some, I think
South Africa.
I think South Sudan is supposed to be bigger than that, but it's okay. So by now, Sudan is the biggest.
No, let me check.
He's not. Or he's not in this map, but apparently in Africa he's the second. But Algeria, in this map, Algeria is the biggest. So now, don't speak Urdu anymore.
oh sorry
What's this? Mexico? Yes, it's Mexico. And then
So what's this? Oh, this is half of America.
no, this is Alaska, US.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm telling you.
What's this? Oh, we're supposed to put these on them. I get it.
So where is America?
No. I found Antarctica. Antarctica. It's very big. Apparently, it's supposed to be bigger than this. But we found, I guess, Greenland. Greenland. And why is Greenland named Greenland when it's not green and ice? Well, Iceland.
Austria.
Iceland when there's no ice and
Australia.
no crust.
We found Australia.
Look, this is Australia.
So where is
Or
Canada?
ice. Hold on, Canada. This is US, Alexa. Oh, and this is the whole US.
Is this Canada?
This is the whole US.
Is this Canada?
Yes, this is Canada. So like this.
No, I know.
Okay.
So
Canada is supposed to be way big. It's just a little bit bigger than America. The United States of America.
what's a big gap here?
Okay, so just need to. So can somebody tell me how I'm gonna open this?
So, let me open.
So this is not supposed to be like this. Okay, so how is this actually supposed to be like? Let me just look. Don't mind if I do. supposed to connect here. Hold up, is it? It's supposed to connect into this northern part with this and this. Yep, it's the same. That's how it's supposed to like this. Then what's this again? Oh, I remember this was the lake, the big lake. But no.
Ooh, this!
That's
I thought it was gonna split them in half like Africa, but they just made whole South America in one piece. I think so. North America. This is a shape of a gun.
pew pew pew.
Pew! Hands up! Hands up! You're arrested for stealing ice cream.
What? Was it never stole that?
Pew
Okay,
pew!
I'm at Alaska.
Pew 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 pew!
Okay, so I finally hold up. So how? So like how? So it's supposed to be like how? Yes, I made Mexico. But hold up, can you give me South of yeah?
We made the whole map.
After finally I think 30 or 40
Look.
minutes. And I think there was supposed to be water here, but there's no water. Not that. So how is 8 billion? There's a crack between US and South America. And then I'm going to fix it. Right now. I'll fix it.
So where does Ohio State?
Ohio State?
This is
Ohio State.
it's so small they can't even read the full name.
So what are we supposed to do? Perfect. Now see. Now so what do we do? No, we
No
don't.
dancers here.
Okay.
Son, Australia.
And
You know this real name? They're like blue whale.
This is a swan whale, I think.
But it's brown in color.
Okay, this is made out
Because
of wood.
this is made out of wood.
Okay.
Then why this different color? Like different wood types.
Look, our wall is painted. That's why we didn't need to put ocean.
And now
Because somebody why is this island sideways?
that's how the island is supposed to be. Here's Zimbabwe. Here's Pakistan. And India, China, Russia. Russia has 4 parts. One is
No.
this.
No!
This.
Russia has three!
This.
Russia has three!
No, this is a part of Russia as well. देखो यहाँ
No.
Moscow कहता है. Moscow. It says Moscow there. So it's
America! Then Greenland, Canada.
the word a high state. It's the way spelled O-N-H. And
No,
guys,
it is.
and goodbye. And don't forget to like us.
No!